Hi, I am Melissa, and today I'm going to be doing my first impression of our brand new SeneGence lip plumping glosses. So I'm super excited. I was putting my makeup on earlier and I think I might have got something on there, but this is the bag they come in if you get the collection with all three, and brand new spanking new product that I have never tried before. They're called the Glowify Juicy Plumping Lip Gloss. And it comes in 3 colors: Caramel Kiss, Juicy Pink, which I thought would be the most popular because I have a lot of gals that love pink, and Mauve Magic, which is the one that's already sold out. So we'll see what we think of all 3. Let's start with Caramel Kiss. So this one looks like the most neutral. There it is. You can actually see it better on my hand on camera than you can in person. It blends in a lot more. And let's try this out. It smells really good. It's supposed to be a watermelon mint. Mostly just smells like a little bit of a watermelon to me. Feels really, really smooth and nice when you apply it. It's a big bottle. Bottle's really cute. Okay, I can feel the slightest, they say it's like a cooling sensation, slightest tingle, but it feels good. So as I'm doing here, you can obviously use these on your lips. Straight away. Oh my gosh. I feel like my lips already look bigger. Look at my top lip, you guys. Doesn't it already look bigger? And I just put it on. Apply to bare lips. Okay, it can go over lip sense too. I'm not sure how long it's supposed to take to work, but my lips already look bigger, and it's been like a bit, like a minute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I mean, I'm obviously sticking out my lips, but that top lip is bigger. Wow. Okay, this was the color I thought I would like the least, but I feel like this is your perfect, like just neutral. You can wear it with anything. You're a neutral gal. Caramel Kiss is your color. I can feel the tingle. I gave my friend one Juicy Pink to try, and she said she couldn't really feel tingle at all, but like I can feel it. Just like I mean, it doesn't feel uncomfortable, but it definitely can feel a little tingle, a little something going on. Okay, wow, I'm really impressed so far. I found Kleenex. You can see something's going on with my lips because they're pink. They're being plumped. For sure. Okay, let's try Juicy Pink next. I was personally predicting that this would be the most popular color because I know a lot of gals just love pink. There it is. Juicy Pink. Ooh. That's super pretty. I love a pink. This is a nice, I would describe this as a nice like baby pink. I love the feel. I love the smell. I can say for sure this is working on me. My lips are looking kind of crazy, actually. I feel like they look so big. So I'm going like right to the edge, right? Because I'm wanting it to plump my lips, so. Dang. They're big. My lips literally, I mean, like, I'm looking in person in the mirror here. My lips literally look like I have like the bee stung, like a little plumper stuck in there. This shiz works. Sorry. It's cracking me up because they look so funny. It's like totally works. Sorry. It's just like, you know, you see other people try it and you see them post their little photos or whatever, but you're like, you don't believe it till you try it. Like, this actually literally works. Okay. Juicy pink. I'm cracking myself up right now. Last color of the first 3 that were released is Mauve Magic. I saved it for last because it's been the most popular. So I'm assuming this is going to be really good. I'm wondering if it's because it has the most color payoff. Look at that. It's really pretty. Sold out already once. So this definitely gives you the most color of the 3. Feels really, really nice. What do we think? I'm liking all 3. I'm glad I have all 3. I actually really like that caramel kiss. It's so subtle. I love the pink. I love this one. This one has like the most color payoff. And it just has that cooling sensation, a little tingle. They smell good. They smell just like the most subtlest candy watermelon. I think they're supposed to smell like mint too, but I don't smell any mint. I just smell like candy watermelon, but you can feel the mint, right? Because you can feel the tingle in your lips. That is literally plumping them. Like, my lips literally look way bigger than they did before, and you can tell when you take it off because my lips are all like pink, that like something's going on there. So yeah, I would say just get the whole collection. Get the free bag. So fun. These are available now on my website, SeneGence.com/Melissa Chee. You can also message me if you need help. I can order these for you and send them to you if you're in the US. I would give these a big thumbs up, 5 out of 5. These I feel like are awesome. Very like different, brand new product that I think you're gonna love on their own. I think you're gonna love it if you're a lip sense user and you want to use it on top. So let me know in the comments what color you would wear, and have a fabulous day.